Class 4 Mathematics Chapter 12 Perimeter and Area. Now I am going to teach you first perimeter. What is it all about?
The word perimeter comes from two Greek words, peri and metron. Peri means around and metron means measure. Thus, perimeter is the total distance of all the sides of a closed plane figure. Hence, it is found by adding the lengths of all the sides of a closed plane figure. Today, we will learn how to find the perimeter of the polygons triangle, rectangle and square using formulas. Let's start with the triangle. A triangle has three sides, side A, side B and side C. To find the perimeter of a triangle, we add the lengths of all its sides. Thus, perimeter of a triangle is equal to A plus B plus C. Let's find the perimeter of a triangle having the dimensions B is equal to 7 meters, Q is equal to 8 meters and R is equal to 10 meters. We know that perimeter of a triangle is equal to the sum of the lengths of all its sides, which is equal to P plus Q plus R. That is 7 plus 8 plus 10, which is equal to 25 meters. Thus, perimeter of the triangle is equal to 25 meters. Now, let us look at the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle. We have already learned that a rectangle has four sides, wherein its opposite sides are equal in length. Thus, the perimeter of rectangle is equal to length plus breadth plus breadth. Therefore, perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus 2 into B, where L is the length and B is the breadth, which is equal to twice of length plus breadth. Now, let's find the perimeter of a rectangle having the dimensions length is equal to 18 kilometers and breadth is equal to 12 kilometers. Using the formula, perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 into, in brackets, 18 plus 12 is equal to 2 into 30, which is 60 kilometers. Thus, the perimeter of the rectangle is 60 kilometers. Finally, let's look at the perimeter of a square. We know that the lengths of the four sides of a square are the same. Thus, the perimeter of a square can be calculated by adding all the four sides of a square. Thus, perimeter of a square is equal to S plus S plus S plus S, which is equal to 4 times the length of a side. Now, let's find the perimeter of a square having sides of 10 centimeters. Using the formula, perimeter of the square is equal to 4 into 10, which is equal to 40 centimeters. Thus, perimeter of the square is 40 centimeters.
Now from here you understood the perimeter. Now look at some exercises. Now here, find the perimeter of the figure given below. Now here, this is given in your exercise. So now let's see how to do it. Now here it is given in this one. First one, it is given here 1 centimeter breadth and 4 centimeter is the length. And in a rectangle, the breadth is the same, that is here it is 1 centimeter, then here also it is 1 centimeter. The length is 4 centimeter, here also 4 centimeter. So length and breadth are same. So what you will do? You will add all the 4. That is 4 centimeter plus 1 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 1 centimeter. Now how much is it all together? 4 plus 1 5, 5 and 4 9 and 1 10. So total perimeter will be 10 centimeter. So down you have to write in this box 10 centimeter by adding all the 4 sides. Got it? Very easy. This is called the perimeter. Perimeter means the boundary. Calculating how long is the boundaries. That only is called the perimeter. So if the length is given, we can easily find the perimeter. Now see here, in the second one, here it is 3 centimeter. Again here 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. So what will be the perimeter? Add all the 3. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 centimeter, which is equal to 12 centimeter. Got it now? Now then, looking at the next one. In this triangle, find the perimeter. So it is given here 3 plus 5 plus 4. So add this 3 plus 5 plus 4 is equal to how much? It is 12 centimeter. So here down you have to write 12 centimeter. I am explaining it to you. You have to do on your own when you are doing it in the notebook. Now the next one. Calculate the perimeter of this figure. Now again see what is the length. 2 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 7 centimeter. So what you have to do? You have to add. So how much is it? 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 7, 18. So it is total 18 centimeter. Don't forget to write this unit. But here it is already written unit. But you have to keep in mind, you have to write on your own the unit. So understood? Now the next one. Here in this figure 3 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 3 centimeter plus 4 centimeter. Add all these 4 sides. So 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4. Now total is how much? 4 plus 3. 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. So 14 centimeter. Got it now? So here you have to write 14 centimeter. Now next question. The size of a rectangular field is 150, 120, 150 and 120. Find the perimeter of the field. Very easy. You have to add all of it. 150 meter plus 120 meter plus 150 meter plus 120 meter. Now add. All are in meters, so meter. 0 plus 0 plus 0 gives 0. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. So 4 I will write here and 1 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 540 meter. Got it now? This is the answer. This is the perimeter. Got it now? Very easy, I think so. You can do on your own. Yes. Now we will go to the next one about area.
What does the term area mean? Area measures the surface of a simple closed region. The units of area are the square of the units of length. Thus, area can be expressed in square units such as square centimeters, square meters, or square kilometers. There are two methods to find the area. One is by dividing a region into unit squares and thereafter counting the unit squares, and the other is by using formula. Let's learn about each of these in a bit detail. First, let's see how to find the area of a simple closed region by counting unit squares when the region is divided into unit squares. Look at the square ABCD. It is divided into 25 equal squares of side 1 centimeter each. Thus, we say that the area of square ABCD is equal to 25 square centimeters. Square centimeters can also be written as SQCM in short. Now, let's find the area of the given figure. Look at the figure. Here, each square equals 1 square centimeter and each half square equals to half square centimeter. Thus, on counting, we get that the given figure has 14 squares and 2 half squares. Therefore, the area of this given figure is equal to 14 plus half, which is 15 square centimeters. Now, let's see how to find the area using formulas. The area of a rectangle can be found by using the formula A is equal to L into B, where A is the area, L is the length, and B is the breadth of the rectangle. Let's use this formula to find the area of a rectangle PQRS having length 7 units and breadth 5 units. Rectangle PQRS has length of 7 units and breadth of 5 units. Therefore, by using formula area is equal to length into breadth, we get the area as 35 square units. Now, let's solve one more example to understand it in a better way. Find the area of a rectangle having length 33 meters and breadth 10 meters. Area is equal to length into breadth, which is equal to 33 into 10, which is equal to 330 square meters. The formula to find the area of a square is different. It is A is equal to S into S, where S is equal to the length of the side of the square. Let's find area of the square WXYZ having side 13 units, area is equal to side into side, we get the answer as 169 square units. Now, let's solve one more example to understand it in a better way. Find the area of a square having side of length 9 centimeters. Area is equal to side into side, which is equal to 9 into 9, which is equal to 81 square centimeters. Remember the formulas. 1. Area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. 2. Area of a square is equal to side into side.
Now let us do the exercise. Find the area of the following figure, and all are given in small squares and they are of 1 square centimeter area. Now you have already understood the unit is square centimeter, square meter or square kilometer. This is the unit. Understood? Don't forget it to write there. Now let's see the square here in this card. Now you tell me how many squares are there. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So how many are there? So the area will be 24 square centimeter. Just count and then put the unit when you are doing in counting the squares. Got it now? Area is equal to 24 square centimeter. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4. What will be the area? 4 square centimeter. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 square centimeter. Now the fourth one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 square centimeter. Got it now? How to do this one? One was the formula one. And this one is by counting the square. Got it now? We can divide it into squares and then we can count the area. And the other one is by doing using the formula that was given in the video. Understood? But here in the book it is given like this in square, showing the squares. So this time you learn from this only. Okay. So this brings to the end.